Hello, my lovely people. I greetings to everyone watching this video. Today, I'm making this delicious shepherd pie. So I want you to wear your apron, go to your kitchen. Let's make this together. So guys, for this recipe, I'm using potato. I'm using like 5 potato. You can use any amount potato you want. So I peel the cover from the potato, then I cut it into small pieces. Then I wash it and put it inside the pot. I add some water and some salt to taste, then I'll cook it. So these the vegetables I'll be using. I'll just go ahead and cut them into small pieces just like this. Now back to the potato. Let's check it how far. Okay, so now the potato is ready, it's soft, it's good to go. So I just draw the water. So now this is my fry pan. There's oil inside. I'll just add my onion, garlic and spring onion, the hard place. Then I'll fry this like 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'll add my ground beef. Then I'll fry the beef to its brown. So it's getting there. Now it's brown, so I'll just season it. I'm using oregano, paprika, cumin powder, complete seasoning and 1 Maggi. I'm using 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I'll mix everything together very well. Then it's time for my vegetable to go. I'll mix it and fry it like 1 minute. Then I'm adding some water to cook the meat and the vegetables. So I'll cover it like 1 minute or 2 minutes to cook. Now it's ready. I just add my spring onion, then I'll mix it. That's it. It's ready. So now let's start mashing the potato. So I'll pour my potato and mashing it with my tampoli. How do you call this in your language? Let me know at the comment section. So I added 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter. I use evaporated milk and then 1 egg. Then I'll mash everything till everything has combined very well. Now I finished doing my mashed potato. It's ready. So I just grab my pan, the pan I'll be doing the food inside. Then I'll arrange my meat inside very well. Then I'll start arranging my mashed potato at the top. You can actually use piping bag to do this. It will make it easier for you. You just put the mashed potato inside, then you pop it on the meat. That one is very easy. So I'll just arrange it and make it flat like this to cover all the meat. So now for design, I'm using my fork to do the design. You can do any kind of design you want, or you can even cook it like this. It doesn't change anything at all. It still be sweet. Tell me, have you ever tried this before? How did you see it? Is it sweet? Do you like it? Tell me. I want to know at the comment section, so let me know. So my design is this. Do you like my design? So I'm just trying to do my design for my the top of my mashed potato be nice. So I put it inside the oven like 20 minutes. here we are, it's ready. So let me cut it and see how it look. So this is how it look, and trust me, it's very sweet. If you never tried this before, you have to try it and let me know how you see it at the comment section. Guys, if you see this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.